even more. Got the actual chickens.
Oh my god.
This is all your fault, you know.
Alright, come up here. Is there any more up here?
Where are you?
Outside, it's turning night time. So what is it? Oh, I can...
You in there?
Oh! Run! Have I got butterflies?
Right, just run. Let them go.
Where's the way out? Is it over here?
Run after us.
I actually can't run because I need to eat. Right. Oh my god, you could have told us. Where's the way out? Oh, down here. Quick, run. Hey, don't leave us.
Hey, you've got the egg spawners.
Not now. The bombs. Actually, slime bombs. We don't have them now. Whoa, what?
Oh,
What is that? What is that?
Yes.
Oh my god, actually, John, we are in danger right now. We need, it's like one of those stupid skeleton things. Do you know, why is it giving it me for? What am I doing to it?
Put on creative.
No. What's over here? Okay, there's literally
Safe
nothing.
house.
Where?
What?
Oh, like how you leave me, like. Where?
Where I am, where this big
Oh.
slime is.
Oh. Don't keep laughing. Oh my god. Oh my god, John, you're just like leaving us. Oh my god, help! Where are you?
Over here, man. Come back.
Oh. Oh, cool. Oh my god, it goes. It leads. No. Oh my god, look at it. Outside, what are them like slime worms?
I'll say what we might die here.
You're telling me. We should actually start a YouTube channel. We're just doing gaming, honestly.
I mean, we could die right now.
Like, what actually is that? Oh
Make
my
it
god.
your button, please.
What?
Get.
Oh! It must have seen us.
We might die, yeah, like.
How many hearts have you got?
So, stuck. Should we jump down?
Should we? Let's go. Big mistake. I wanna. Oh no! Oh my god! I've got no.